about to check outside the game. You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that home out on the range. They got a lot of nice girls. I'm racing.
Hey guys, Mike, Backyard Airguns, here to do a really short video on the Karma EQ. This is a really good gun, a lot of gun for the price. You get a lot of high-end features on it. I'll keep these videos really short. I took this one out to the range, I think it was last week, and this is 30 cal, and just did some 50-yard groups with it, 2 5-shot groups. Just going to show those. Before I show you the groups at 50 yards, just want to tell you about the gun real quick. Okay. On the front end, you got a 1/2x20 thread, so it threads Donnie FL really well. The Roland works really good on it, also the Yokozuna, but the threads are 1/2x20. I carry all the Donnie FL moderators, the Saber Tactical, and the Karma EQs. So 1/2x20. As you know me, I've got to have my custom rails on it. So this here is sporting a tactical rail by Backyard Airguns. This is my #1 selling rail. I sell more of these tactical rails for EQ than any other rail that I make. Supports the gun really well. You can get it in, it's got Picatinny on the side. Again, it's aluminum, metal. Picatinny on the side, Picatinny on the bottom. You can also get it with an Arca plate, so you can run an Arca bipod or Picatinny. It's part of the gun, okay? It's got little set screws up here with nylon tips so you don't mess the barrel up, and it clamps down. It's part of the gun. So anyway, I use that on the EQ, and then coming back scope-wise, I got a DNT. I carry all the DNT scopes. This is a DNT, I think Zulu V2 5x20 HD. It's really a good scope, and I think I got some video of that coming up. I also put my digital gauges on it, so I carry segment gauges. This is the Pro model. Really good display, especially on the rag. You really need a good digital gauge for the rag. And then Saber Tactical Pro monopod. I've got my custom bracket set on it. So that's the gun. Now, as far as the actual EQ, it's got a lot of power, right? So I think just out of the box, this thing's shooting about 930 on like a 45 grain pellet. And you've got settings on this, so there's several ways to tune the gun. So you've got a tune port up here, right? Where you can, where are we at? Yeah, back here. So you can do this tune port. I really don't like messing with that. I can always leave that open. And then you've got a regulator adjustment. Okay, so let me show you this here. So right here you got an external regulator adjustment. So you can adjust this reg up or down, and tune it up or tune it down. And then what's really neat is you've got a hammer spring adjustment. So if you look back here on this side, okay, kind of like the Red Panda, you've got a hammer spring adjustment. Now this one's a little more difficult to get to. You actually got to spin a wheel back here to move this up and down, but this is not something you're going to be moving up and down on the fly. You kind of, once you get it set, you're pretty much going to leave it. You see this one I've got at about 50% on a hammer spring. So you got a external hammer spring adjuster, you got an external reg adjuster, and you got a tune port. You got 3 different ways you can tune this gun. Side lever cocking, it's very smooth. Saber Tactical AR grip on it, which I love. It's just a really solid gun. It's priced really good too. And you can get these on backyardairguns.com. So let's take a look at the range footage. I'm out here today at the range. I got the Karma EQ 30 cal. Gonna do a little 50-yard shooting with it. So let's get started. A couple 5-shot groups at 30 yards, or 50 yards, 30 cal.
936, 925, 922, 921. 920.
Wow, that's 5 shots stacked on each other down there. Okay, let's do another quick one.
918. 911. 912. 907. 904.
Wow, a nickel-sized group down there, guys, at 50 yards. I'm running out of air. I've been shooting other guns, and I've used up all the air in my tank. I should have had this one full before I brought it out here. So we're gonna leave it at that. 2 5-shot groups, about the size of a nickel, down there at 50 yards, shooting a Karma EQ 30 cal. I carry these on backyard air guns along with the Donnie FL moderator, which I carry. The EQ tactical rail. This is just badass. Supports the gun like a pro setup. You can run Picatinny, or you can run Arca bipod, which I do. And then I'm also sporting this new DNT Zulu V2. I'll be honest with you, this thing's like looking through glass. Normally at long range I'd have a high-end glass scope optics, but I might be switching over to these this DNT Zulu V2 for long range, because the picture in this thing is just vibrant, right? There's no pixelation, even at magnification. I've never seen a scope like that. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.
Just a young gun with a quick fuse. I was uptight, wanna let loose. I was dreaming